Make my drink, woman.
Welcome back to my channel.
It's our channel.
Welcome back to our channel, aka my channel, Rhonda Renee. That's why it says my name.
You're just the leader.
Okay, I'm the leader, and I include them sometimes.
That's right, sometimes.
But today we are making iced coffee.
My favorite.
I don't really like iced coffee. I think, like, what's the point of iced coffee?
What you mean?
What is the point of iced coffee?
Because you like hot stuff and us normal people like cold drinks. You like hot stuff on a summer day and you like something fresh and cold.
But coffee is hot, right or wrong? Coffee is made hot, right or wrong?
It's 2020. We branching out. This is a new era. We do iced coffee.
But when you make it, it's hot.
Like if you was really about that old school coffee, the hot life, you would have one of them old coffee makers where you put all the grounds and things. You still fancy with the Keurig and you making lattes.
Keurig.
Right, so you gotta get with the times. Don't be hating on iced coffee.
Anywho, I am making babe iced coffee.
Thanks, man.
Even though it's cold outside and it's raining.
You eat ice cream when it's cold?
No.
In the house?
I don't eat ice cream when it's cold.
Did you ever taste it?
Who eats ice cream with just last night Kaden had ice cream and I said, ooh, that ice cream would be good on a nice hot day sitting on the patio.
Like outside.
I didn't say, ooh, ice cream would be good on a nice cold day.
I mean,
Whatever.
Do you eat warm cookies on a hot day? Yeah,
That's different. Warm cookies is good any day.
Yeah.
But before we get to that, I'm actually gonna share an iced coffee with Babe today because I wanna try it because I've never made iced coffee at home today. But on my way home, I stopped by Press Juicery because it is the year to get juicy, aka I'm juicy. This is pressed celery juice.
It looked like Leia's poop after daycare.
You have to shake it up. And you have to drink it. I mean, you have to shake it because it separates. The flavor is best within 3 days of purchase. So I just got it today, so we have to drink these by, what's today? We've been in quarantine for so many days that I can't.
The 7th.
Oh, so Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday.
Ready?
All of these have to be gone by Thursday.
Celery juice.
Celery and lemon juice.
You asked what I wanted. I said pick me out something. That meant
You
like,
said
don't
pick you
get-
out something.
Yeah, but that didn't mean get celery. She went for celery juice and came back with a lot of celery juice. I feel like I just drank a whole stock of celery. Look at that.
Is it good? Oh, it's strong.
I wonder if my pee gonna smell like when you eat asparagus.
Asparagus pea?
Yeah, it's celery pea.
Celery pea.
It's just really
It smells peppery.
It's celery. No, it's straight celery and lemon. More celery than anything. It's not terrible.
Oh, it tastes like pickle juice. I'll drink this one. You got till Thursday to finish these. Okay, babe?
Well, the expiration is-
So for the iced coffee recipe, we're gonna use, I got the Starbucks iced coffee, medium roast. This is unsweetened. And then we have vanilla flavor, Starbucks kind, and then the Torani salted caramel. Because I'm trying to do a caramel macchiato, which is mainly milk. Actually, I can't even do that because it's like an espresso with mainly milk, but we're not gonna do that. It's just gonna be an iced coffee with a little bit of cream and flavor. That's what we're gonna do. Just a regular iced coffee, so scratch the caramel macchiato comment. Not gonna do that because I don't feel like doing the espresso and then putting it on top of the hot ice. What did I just say? I just said hot ice. Putting the hot espresso on top of the the ice and then it melts, so we're not gonna do that because that would take too long. You gotta let it cool and all that. So we're not gonna do that. It's just gonna be regular iced coffee. Iced coffee here. We're gonna use the heavy whipping cream because they didn't have half and half. I grabbed the wrong. This better taste good.
Use the condensed milk.
That's gonna be way too sweet.
No, put the vanilla.
Vanilla almond milk? Whatever. We're gonna use this heavy whipping cream because we're not gonna whip it, so it'll be fine.
It'd be good.
Whip it good. But anyhow, and then flavor, you want caramel, salted caramel, or vanilla, or both? Vanilla. All right. So, babe, I need you back in the kitchen though, cause you know, like, since the nail shop is closed, my nails are fragile. Yes, you can buy me all the shoes you want, but you cannot complain that I have no more room in the closet.
Can I buy these shoes? It's my birthday. Can you buy me these shoes?
I thought you said me.
No, you have enough. Look.
I have enough shoes.
Yeah.
I can never
And I
have
bought
enough
them
shoes.
for you.
Well, can you open this? Because my nails are too fragile. Oh, those are cute. Yeah. Can I get those? That color? You got $103.97. I do. Can you open this?
But it's my birthday.
Or I'm gonna break a nail.
Can you wait a minute?
This already about to come out.
In the words of Maui, you're welcome.
Thank you. I don't know why I'm shaking this up.
Yeah, you all take that. I take a shot of that.
Does
A
it
shot of that Malibu before you. Yeah, lady, shut girl. It's pressed. It's cold coffee.
Oh wait, no. It says for best results, shake well and serve chilled. Serve chilled over ice. I've never shaken it either, but for some reason I felt like it needed to be shaken, and I'm glad I'm shaking it. All right. So we got our iced coffee. Do we need to shake this? I feel like if I shake it.
I didn't know you had to refrigerate A1 after you open it.
Yeah.
I never did.
But I feel like if I shake this heavy whipping cream, it's going to turn into whipped cream. I just feel like we need to shake everything. We just shook the celery juice. I gotta open this too. I should have opened all this stuff before we started this video. Sorry. Huh? Okay. So if you know me, you know I love my Starbucks. Bloopers everywhere today. So I have my Starbucks reusable cups. But we are going to fill these up. She can have more ice. I don't really like ice like that. Damn it. Then you put your flavor. I'm trying to be a barista.
Can I get the misty one?
This one, yeah. You're getting this one.
Wait, that one?
This one.
The big one?
You say you wanted the misty one.
Yes.
Does this look misty? Am
Yeah,
I saying
I'm
this one
sure.
right? I'm saying this one right, and she's like, wait, this one? Yes, this one, girl. You say you want vanilla or salted caramel? I forgot already.
For once in my life, vanilla.
Dang, 40-year-old memory.
You ain't 40, don't put that on yourself.
I don't know. So put how much? Actually, you could have put the flavor first so that you could see, because now that I put the ice in there, I can't see how much the flavor I'm pouring in there. So next time, put the flavor first, then put the ice in there, then put your coffee. It might be too sweet. Pour your flavor. Pour your flavor. Then pour your ice. Then you're gonna pour your coffee. We get medium roast because it's kind of like in the middle between like being like too strong and not strong enough. Now this is my favorite part. Just watch this. I love, love, love the aesthetics of this part. Do y'all see that? OMG. Look at it. You see? Do you see that, babe?
Yeah, I like watching that too.
I love it. Let me see if I can get up closer with hers. Even though her cup is like frosty, but you might be able to see it. See how it goes down in there? Got it. Looky, looky! It looks so yummy! Oh, this is a good side right there.
It's us swirling, babe.
We have how we swirl. Alright, you ready, babe? You gotta come taste it.
Stir it, you gotta stir it up.
What's on the bottom?
That's how my Malibu looks when I put up this on top.
There's probably a little bit of flavor.
Only one way to drink an iced coffee. Until you have to trick.
Shaken, not stirred.
No, that was a generic answer.
Oh.
If you like me and you really like cold drinks, then you really like cold coffee. The only way to get the coldest part of the iced coffee is by bringing your straw to the top of the beverage. After you mix it well, bring your straw up where the ice is because it's ice cold on the top.
Oh, the lid's not on there.
Most of the barista issue.
You're not gonna tip me today?
And I want y'all to know that she matched me with this gray shirt.
I had it like this. And my shirt says sweet but psycho.
Facts, but prove it.
You might not want to drink that coffee. You
Like,
might
it's on camera.
find out the psycho part. Okay. You first. Is it good?
It's a little sweet.
Right, so put your
let's
flavor in
go.
first and then put your ice in so that you know how much flavor you're putting in there.
If it had less or no vanilla, then it'd be perfect.
Yeah?
But I say that because usually if I drink the Starbucks iced coffee, I don't put anything in it.
Oh my gosh. Well, you gotta try mine. I had the salted caramel.
Oh, I don't like it.
Oh my gosh. I feel like this is better than Starbucks.
Yeah, I be feeling like this is enough when you put whatever, you put that in there, that's probably why it's too good. That's sweet.
Ooh, this is good.
You like caramel? Yeah, that's pretty good. That's Starbucks.
This is Starbucks material right here.
Just mark that message.
That's real good. Real good. Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button, hit the notifications bell so you don't miss any videos in the future. Hit the like button, comment down below. You can also follow me on Instagram at Coco_and honey_.